This is where I wish I had an ATV. When I really can't ride an ATV. An Argo would be nice, because an ATV I'm sitting way up too high and it's too hard on my back. And being it's clay here, I could take my four-wheel drive truck, but I've gotten stuck so bad in this red clay at this time of year, and even in the summertime after a rainstorm. I don't sink, but it just, everything turns to grease on top, and the tread of the tires just fill right up with clay and you can't go anywhere. And as long as it's in an area that dries up, rather quickly, it's not too bad. This is my property line stake right here, my survey stake right there, and it goes all the way to the road. But that heifer and that 8-month-old steer just kept going. And I know why they kept going, because up here the neighbor, his glorious junk pile on the hydro line here, threw out a whole bunch of hay that he didn't want to feed his horses. And you know what cows or steers do with fermented hay? It's like candy to them. And they found it a few days ago when I found my electric fence all ripped apart and T-post bent right over, and quad runner tracks where somebody hooked onto it and tore into it. Now, I don't know if this video is going to make YouTube or not, because I may pass out here before I get too far. This is really hard walking. This is still Thursday, April the 25th. It's around 9 o'clock right now. Oh no, they didn't come up here. That hay is right there. But there they are right there. The friggin' miserable heifer is taking that steer where he doesn't belong. Where the hell did the steer go? Big garbage pile he puts on the hydro line here. And there's the steer up there. She's going to run away from me. Pretend I'm ignoring her here. I have to get down between the two of them and get them on the back side. See, I can't even come up on the hydro line off the road here because that neighbor there, he had a front end loader and he put piles and piles of dirt blocking off the hydro roadway here. So you can't get up off of Otter Road. Come on, yep. 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 Let's go. Yep. Yep. They'll probably run in the bush on me here next. Like they did to me the other night. I didn't even notice that the wire was broken because I didn't come and check, because there was so much snow that they weren't coming out this way yet at all to the back. They were staying in the front. That heifer is running that steer off that way into the friggin' bush. And I was traipsing through the bush there the other night. I slept all day yesterday from all the pain from chasing them around for hours. It was the whole works of them. He dumped this old hay here and they were all eating it. The other night the whole works of them. I didn't know that the fence was busted out here and ripped down. I spent the whole day fixing it. The day before yesterday. Oh. You can see them running for home down there. They're gonna go right up where I said they'd go. This is really hard on my back and legs walking. My hips, my legs, my lower back. The inflammation gets so bad it goes right up in my shoulder blades and I suffer with major migraine headaches. And it looks dry, but I'll tell you one thing, I get one front wheel in a hole and it don't take much, and one little turn of the tires and it doesn't go anywhere. It's just like on grease. It doesn't sink, it just turns to grease, and really fast. No matter how careful you try to go, all it takes is a little pothole for one tire to be in. Being that all four tires don't lock, it's not posse track, it's just whatever wheel breaks loose first on the front and whichever wheel breaks loose on the back. Yeah, herding the 18-month-old heifer. She's a free martin. She's no good for breeding. And a seven-month-old steer, like the one that I had to slaughter in emergency in a snowstorm a few weeks ago. And mind you, that meat is really tasty. I had it a couple times now. There's no fat on it at all. It's just like veal, melts in your mouth. That wire comes across right here someplace. That's where she's just crossed back in. That's where she's been getting out all winter. And I walked down here a few times, on videos even, to fix it. And I'm not sure where the hell she jumps over this, but she seems to just jump right over it. Well, she hasn't gone over it yet. If she's there, I'm not going to go and chase her now. She'll find her way back in. If she's back down this way, it'll stay dark now. This is where she's... Yeah, the fence is shocking me. I'm getting it, but I got good rubber boots on, so I'm not getting a good shot. I got good rubber boots on. They're electrical safety rubber boots. I do feel the jolt in my hand. And that steer probably went right up to the house. She had a beaten path in the snow. Getting a warning saying that battery's too low to run the light. Don't need the light anyway. See if I can make it back up to the house here. A lot of pain going down both my legs and into my butt cheeks and up my back. I used to chase them with a tractor because that wouldn't get stuck. Because because I ran chains on it and year round in this clay. I don't know where that steer went to. I thought for sure he ran all the way back up here, but maybe not. Huh. You know, 300 milligrams of morphine a day and Percocets is just not enough to keep going. It's okay, girls, you don't need to move. I'm just checking to see where he went to. There's the heifer down there in the hider line again. Way down there. Better than to be down here. I don't care if she's out there. She can be out there all she wants, but it's when she starts going towards the auto road. It's about a half a mile. I don't know where that steer went to. Probably went and hid in the bush over there. Oh, there he is there, down the hydro line. There he is. He's down there in the hydro line too, following that heifer. He must have been hiding in the evergreens down there when I was down there. I didn't see him anywhere. I looked for him, but I didn't see him. He was hiding someplace under those spruce and balsams. Most likely where I couldn't see him. Yeah, there he is down there on the hydro line. He's fine there. He's outside the electric fence, but and there's the heifer over there. I don't know if you can see her over there. You can see the white patch on the hydro line right there. Yeah, they'll be okay there now. Whew. Okay guys, take her easy and we'll get this one uploaded next. Have a great night.